If you want to follow along, you can download a Clue 3D project file. See the Gumroad link in the video description. If you're interested in Clue in 3D prototyping and want to learn more, I have a course for beginners on Udemy you might be interested in. You will find the link to the course in the video description. So let's get started. Welcome back, everyone. Today we're going to work on vertical twist. You might remember that in the last video we created a horizontal twist where we shifted all our vertical lines by 10 centimeters to the right. Well, today we're going to do a quick and easy one where we will use the same block we developed for the horizontal twist project. You remember that we saved it as state, 3D state. So now you can revert to your 3D state, or you could go back to the project and draft your block again. So the only thing we should do here is shift our right side of the block down by 4 centimeters and then basically merge the right and left sides. So let's go to our symmetrical blocks. And the first thing I will do is cut them in half because we need two halves. After this, I will remove the linked editing. After this, we have two parts separated. We'll start with the back. So you see here that right side goes down by 4 centimeters. And then they're connected halfway through. You see this is half here, 2 centimeters and 2 centimeters here. So I will mark these 4 centimeters here straight away. So it's easier for me to just connect it to this point. So here it is. And this part is 4 centimeters. And the same thing with the front. Let's do that. Mark the point 4 centimeters down, and then take the right side and just attach it there. Okay, but they're not attached, of course. Now we need to blend the necklines and the hemlines and join these two into one piece. So you remember that they meet in between there, so we need to place another point. Well, this one doesn't seem like it's, yeah, now it's good. So let's just divide this by 2. And then we need to lift this point up here and lower this point down there. I'll just do the same thing here, like that. So the top part is easy. All we need to do is remove this point. The bottom part is a little trickier because we need to make sure that we're moving the right point. So let's just lock this in place like this, and go and find the point and bring it up there. Unlock, and of course now we have a really weird curve. We can get rid of it, or we'll see first if it works, because we need to curve this one to match. It kind of works, kind of cool, I guess. So another thing is here, same thing basically. We need to meet them halfway somewhere. So let's do that. Halfway, 2 centimeters. And I'll delete this one and lower this one here. So here we go. Repeating this one, remove these 2 points. And then lock one of them. And then bring, we'll have to delete this point anyway, have to bring this up here. Okay, let's give it a bit of a curve. Not much of a curve, of course. I'll just fix that. It looks a bit weird. Just a tiny one. Okay, so here we go. That looks about right, doesn't it? 2 centimeters. Delete this point. Oops, not this one. Delete this point and lower this point, just the point down like this. Cool. All right, now I'll merge these pieces. I'll remove the points we don't need, merge the front and the back. Great, well, that's done. Now let's go and see what we have here. A mess, of course. So we'll reset this pattern to 2D arrangement and then place it again. So I'll go to the front and place it in front, and the back goes at the back. There, like this. Check your sewing and remove all the odd bits. Extend the side seams. And simulate. Boom. What do we have? We have weird twisted top. Of course, you would probably need something softer than muslin, so I would just go for your standard fabric. And if you want it to look like muslin, just go to your muslin settings and apply. Okay, that looks cool. Let's try and lower the particle distance to make it a little bit softer. See how the fabric is sagging? That's what we need. Okay, so let's take a look at our lines. Let's switch on the baselines. Here we go. Alright, so we kind of need to tug it a little bit to return it to a vertical position. As you know, this is our center front, so it needs to be in the center. Since our cut is skewered by design, there will be some weird kind of things happening, and this is what we're looking for. So if you want slightly eccentric and unusual looking top, you've come to the right place. We have the top for you. Here we go. I'll just switch off my lines here. So here it is. Quick and easy. What do you think? Would you wear it? Why not? Let me know in comments. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.